While explaining the hide and show toolbar, one thing was remaining, that was this part, that we can directly do the full screen mode, like when you press the control plus 0 we will get directly to the full screen. Then how to regain it, we just press once again the control plus 0 and we will be regained to original position. Let's do it here. When you just type here as the control plus 0, press control and tap as the 0, you can get that it is the full screen mode. Okay, same way we can regain it to the original position by control plus 0, and we have regained it to its original position. Likewise it actually works. Okay, here we have seen for the to close the ribbon type here as the ribbon close, and to regain the ribbon we have to type here as the ribbon. And if all the tools from your AutoCAD gets hide, then type menu and then choose the acad.dw file, that is the .dwt is called as the drawing template file. Okay, now let's dive into the next part, that is the crosshair cursor setting. Let's see what is it. Here you can see that this small icon that I am moving. Okay, here I have you are able to see it in this drawing area only. Whatever icon I am moving here, it is called as the crosshair. I have taken its screenshot here, and I will show it in detail here. Here you can see that this is the crosshair, we call it as the crosshair, and it has the two component, that this middle square is called as the pick box, and this lines, the extended lines like here, are called as the crosshair. Okay, so basically we are going to see how to increase the size of this crosshair and the pick box. So we will just go to our model. Here you can see that the size of this crosshair and the pick box is very small. So how to increase and decrease the size and what's its use, we will see. First of all, we will be increase the size and decrease the size of this pick box. Just type here as the OP for the options. Just type options in this command line, or just directly on this dynamic input. If this option is not present here in your model, then you have to go to this customization. Just tab on this customization, and we have to on this dynamic input. If it is closed, it will look like this. When it is on, just tab on it, it will be look like this. And when you just see that when I type here, you are able to see only here, because it is the dynamic input option is not on, it is off. So how to on it, just tab on it, and you can see that the dynamic input option has been on. Just tab here as the option OP and just enter it. When you press here as the OP, the first option we get for the option, just tab on it, and you will get to this window of this option. We can increase or decrease the size of this crosshair by going to this display. Okay, in it here you can see, going to display, here we are able to see for this crosshair size, we can increase this size of this crosshair. This crosshair is this part. Okay, this line are extended lines are being called as the crosshair. We can increase the size of them. Currently the default size of them is the 5. We can increase to, let's say, 21. Okay, we can add it as per our use. Okay, and then after the second option, that is the pick box, that small icon present here is called as the pick box, right? So how to increase the size of it? So it was a very small in size. The crosshair size is present in this display in the crosshair position. So for this pick box, go to this selection. In this option, go to this selection menu. In it you will be get here the option as the pick box size and the grip size. I will show you in the further videos what is grip size. Okay, in this here you can see that the pick box size, in this pick box size we can increase the size of this pick box. Currently it has set to default. You can increase the size of this pick box, and after making the changes, we can just click on this apply and just click on OK, and you can see that the size of this crosshair and the pick box has been increased. Okay, so now this size is very much bigger, right? So how to regain it to its original position? To regain it to its original position, this is the very much important tool in AutoCAD. Okay, so to regain its original position, just type is here as the OP for the option, just enter it, and once again regain it to its original position by just scrolling it downward like this, and choose whatever distance and you required in the selection tab. Then go to this display. In it we have to just tap here as the 5 for its original size. Okay, just click default size, just click on apply and just click on OK. You can see that its size has been perfectly changed. Okay, regained it once again. But you can see that the size of the crosshair, this big box has been increased. Let it be. We will be taking it or just tab it as the options and go to the selection, and in it just zoom down and just click on apply and just click on OK. You can see that the crosshair size has been regained, but it is looking very small, so we will be adding it in the default position. Okay, just click on apply now and just click on OK. Like this way you can change the size of the quick box and the crosshair. Now we will see for the further details how the use of it. When you move directly like here, or you can select it when you just this tool of this big box, the center part is very useful. By it we can just when we move on any line or a circle, when the big box, the square is been in the on that line or the square line, then it gets selected. When we just tab on it, the line will be get selected. When the crosshair is in that position, it will not get selected. Okay, when you just move on this big box on that position, just select it, it will be get selected. Okay, now we will see the more detail of this big box and this crosshair. When you use this draw toolbar, when you just click on it, you can see that only the crosshair is being seen, no big box is being seen. Okay, when you just make a line, you can see here like the crosshair is been only seen, no big box is seen. So just to get rid of this command, means get remove of this command, just tab here as the escape and you will get remove from that command. Okay, then after, when we just choose this modify toolbar and just I want to move something or rotate something, let's say move something, then you can see that the crosshair is been gone, only the pick box is been remained. Okay, and it is used to for the selection. And when we just choose this icon here of this line, you can see that it has been selected, and only in the modify toolbar this pick box is been seen like this. When you just escape it, it will get removed of this command. Okay, when you type here as the annotation in annotation, it will be in the form of the this crosshair and all that. Okay, like this way this crosshair and the pick box format was being present. Okay, now in the next video we will see the next part.